Hello everybody, this is your boy Eduardo Agbo, and today we are going to see how we can come out with a complete Windows Form application that's MCQ for mathematics. Here on the first screen we can see exit, open menu, and we can see some comments, and here we can see the time exact of my PC, and we can see the date. So quickly I'm just going to show a general review of the application. I kind of made this place slower, so depending on the motion. So this motion is not what interests us. What interests us is how to come up with this complete application for MCQs, and also how to, let's say, score it so that at the end our user will know maybe he or she had 10 or 20, something of that sort. Now you see here that you say welcome to Concours Maths 2011 developed by Eduardo Agbo, all the stuff. Now we are just going to go to start menu. Now observe that there is a bird that was programmed, like, which is just saying like I'm flying for my success, all those stuff. The same with time, so we are just going to start cues to look at it. Right up from the beginning up to this moment, we've discovered that all we do is click next, back, next, back. What can we observe? We observe that in the form we have so many other forms, or forms that have been added, so forms that succeed each other. So how do we do that? We are going to see that in the program. Now quickly I'm just going to try to execute this first question. So if you look at what's the question saying, that which of the following simplification is correct. Sorry, it's in French, the question est correct. The answer here is simple, it's C. Now if you come and click C, it's going to tell you correct. But if you take another answer that's wrong, it's going to tell you got the wrong answer, and it's going to give you the correction to the answer. Now when you hit OK, it comes up with the explanation. We know that ln A plus ln B is 0. Ln A implies that we have minus ln B. This also means that ln A is equals to 1 and ln B, and we just compared the value of A and the value of A and the value of B. Now rapidly we are just going to continue to see other programs. Here is the same, here is the same, here is the same. If you can observe very well, the program stays in the middle, so meaning that we've defined the position that our program is supposed to be in. We go next, next. Let's look at question 10. Now looking at question 10, we discovered that we have the possibility of going to the menu, or going back to question 9, or we go back to question 5, we increase next. Now we can continue up like this up to about 50 questions. So rapidly we are just going to see how different functions works, and how it works. So I don't need to go far, I just need to go to exit. Now once I am at exit, if you observe for me, you can see the program that has been written. This is for question 2, and when I observe this program, I discovered that this is a check button. Dim answer as byte. We check the box to see if answer equals to answer plus 1. Now this comment that you see is trying to, let's say, score the program, and at the end of the 50th question, let's say if you had 25, it's going to tell you had 25 and 50. Now if I go here on let's say start menu design, let's say, let me take question 10. Now if I look, how do I do to go back? To go back is simple. I just need to tell the next Windows form that is behind that you need to show, like question 9 point show, and me, which is question 10, I need to hide myself, so question 10 point hide. And if I go up here, what do I observe? I would observe that if checkbox this is this, the answer is correct, else everything is wrong. So let's quickly look at the VB of 10 and look at the functions. Now here it's simple. You can write the text here and exit. The button exit is very simple to program. All you need to do is just go to end. Just hit an end here, and it will program it automatically for you. Now the problem is, how do I do to add a form? It's simple. You just need to go up here, right click anywhere here, and you go to down and you see where they say add form, and you add form. Now rapidly we are going to compare this application to to a console application that was first developed, and let's say these are two applications that does the same thing. Now if you look at console application, it's kind of the same thing and give you the time, the date, every stuff, but it's kind of slow. So if I take question 1, I have no problem. Let's say the answer is C. You tell me it's still correct and give me why it is correct. But here is the problem. If I take, let's say, question 6, if I take, let's say, question 6, it becomes really complicated to handle. The program becomes very slow. I need to hit so many times to have it. So I discovered that the Windows Form application is super cool, and let's say, why not the best. So please don't forget to subscribe, and once again, this is your boy Eduardo Agbo. Thank you. Have a nice day.